Hey guys, I'm Bethany Robertson, Aesthetic Physician Assistant, and today I want to talk about what to expect during your lip filler appointment. So when you come in for your lip filler appointment, the first thing we're going to do is have a consultation where you and I just chat about what lip filler is best for you, what you're looking to achieve at the end of it, what overall appearance you want, and what realistically we can achieve in one session. From there, we're going to go on to numbing. We're going to let you get nice and numb for about 10 to 15 minutes with a numbing cream that just absorbs in. Next, we'll get started with the injections, and this only takes about 10 to 15 minutes, and then we'll get to have our beautiful final reveal, and this is the fun part. From there, we're gonna go over some post-procedure instructions, and my number one instruction is do not love it or hate it for 14 days. The reason being is that you're gonna have some swelling for that amount of time, and that's totally normal. If you have any questions, be sure to call our office and book a free consultation, and we'll be happy to answer everything. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe and hit that ring button below to be notified of future videos.